Yo, stop leading for people. That's right. Stop leading for people. Stop it. You're doing too much and you're not doing enough, both at the same time. That's what I said to myself about 5 years ago as I was leading at the largest alternative school in Delaware. I was leading for people. What do I mean by for? I was permissive. I wanted everybody to like me. I wanted everything to go smooth. I was not the best at holding people accountable. I wasn't good at challenging people. I mean, if I tried to do it, then I could be good at it. But the reality of it was the way my personality is, the way that I feel the most comfortable. I was leading for people. Big mistake. Big mistake. You do not want to lead from a permissive perspective or permissive position. What we want to do is lead with people. All right. What do I mean by leading with people? Let's take a look at the social engagement window. Okay. We got 4 quadrants here. What we want to do is lead with people. Leading for people, which is my default setting, as I like to say, leading for people is high support, high encouragement, high connection, high nurturing, but low accountability, low discipline, low structure, low on consequences. So for me, if I had to rate myself, I'd probably be like a 7 or 8 on the support axis and maybe a 3 or 4 at best on the accountability axis, which always landed me in the 4. What I needed to do as a leader is up my accountability, the structure, the discipline, the overall accountability of the team, of the building that I was helping to lead, leading with people. The International Institute for Restorative Practices, or the IIRP, says that people are going to be happier, healthier, more likely to make positive changes in their behavior, in their relationships, in their community, in their environment, when people of authority or people of influence do things with them rather than to them, for them, or not at all. So stop leading for people. Stop leading for people and start leading with. I'm the Reapproach Coach, reminding you to always lead with ease and the 3 C's. And please don't forget to love.